Welcome to 1909 Games. My name is Jan and I am currently working on a game called Virus 09. The name maybe change, I don't know. But this is a game where you play a virus and I will show you the progress I did this week. I did a lot of level design, so there are, I think, 2 new levels inside the game. That is pretty much for 1 week and for the time I had, so that was a good progress. And the levels get really hard, really quick. Maybe I really want to do it hard, but I don't know. We will see if they will stay that hard. I mean, that part is not really hard. You see that, yeah? That was pretty at the beginning of the level design process. I changed a lot, and this is basically the beginning, and I did some more 3D models for the whole level stuff, because I mean, I don't need too much stuff staying around in the environment and so on, but a little bit of let's call it decoration would be nice, you know, not just having a box, that's it. And so I just sit down and have done some new models. What could I say? It's with Blender, and the models turn out pretty okay. I think they fit in the environment, and that's what it's all about, you know, just finding some cool stuff. And here we have something that should look like some technical stuff, so yeah. Then I did an overlay for the light in the, like, it's like a texture that is on the lens when you have the camera, you know, and where you see the light, there you see this texture, and that was too much. Then I just make it a little bit smaller, so you have like a grain effect, I would say. And that looked okay. I just put it out of the game again, and we will see. Maybe it's at the end in the game or not. And then I sit down and do some more levels. And the levels are, this week, so much improved, I think. I think I need to change the levels before, because these levels are much better, and you know that's not okay. And then I did some pictures for the menu. I have, you know, to click on the what would I say? You know, I forget what I want to say. To click on a level, you have these pictures, and they look pretty nice, I think, with this blur effect and transparency and so on. And so I do for every level a picture. It's not that much work, but it has just a good feeling for me that it's nice. And I mean, okay, I said it's not much work, and that looks like a lot of time for one picture, but it's okay. You know, here you see when you can play the level, the opacity is a little bit higher, and if not, it's lower. So yeah, and then this is a level that's, I told you last week that it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard for me right now to play, so no change there. But here I have some improvement of the level design, and so this level it took me so long for this level, okay? But the levels after that got really fast, because I had a plan. And this level was like, okay, I just do a level. Let's start. There is an empty page, so no, where's the problem in? Yeah, there is a problem, and there is a fucking big problem when you have no plan. So I did a plan. I wrote down some ideas, and yeah, that's what I have done after that. I used some of the new 3D models, just try to implement them and make the level fit the style of the theme. And so, yeah, that's, of course, as you see, not that much, and that's a plan, you know. It's really an ugly sketch, you know, really not nice. It took me literally no time, you know, and that's the whole level, what it should look like. And so I just built this level in Unity with a plan, and that's so much faster than just going in and say, okay, I want to do a level, but you know, I'm not pretty sure. Okay, I want to do lasers in this level, but hell, you know, that's not efficient. Having a real plan with a real level, that was what worked out for me as the most efficient way. And I had a name for the level, so I know what kind of theme it would have, what is new in the level. And yeah, I had this small enemy, and I have seen that it's pretty, it's really too small, so I make it bigger. That's all. I just did it bigger, so that's no problem. And now you can see it's much easier to hit the enemy. I needed to make the collider smaller because they have been too big then, because they scale with the whole thing and with the whole enemy. And I just really, when it was smaller, it was better to have a bigger collider for them. It feels just more natural. It feels not that much unfair, but if the enemy is bigger, then the collider don't need to be that much bigger than the enemy. So it works out much better, you know. And then I tested the level again and again and again, and yeah, here you see three enemies. Just nothing special. They are not hard to defeat, and that was the point. I mean, this sequence was a little bit hard, and yeah, this level was really not that easy. So I lost, and again I died. And let's say again, again. I haven't done it. And I died again. And I was really angry. I really was angry. So I just don't know what to do. I think it was too hard. But after doing all of that, I tried it again. And I had the first enemies destroyed. So no problem, you know, no problem. Then I go down. No problem at all. I prepared myself, you know. I was thinking what should I do? To the right, to the left, and then there was a hard sequence where I just needed to you know, I just need to go down and the next enemies, and I don't know what to say because it was just so nice. It's a little bit too hard, but then I opened a beer because I did it, man. I just did it, and it feels so good because I couldn't beat my own game. So yeah, for the next level, again, I just did some sketches because it's really hard to do, as I told before, to do a level just from imagination without sketching and so on. And that took not too much time because I had some ideas in my head, and yeah, then we go with the next level. It looks pretty good. It was 2 days, I think, of work. This level could be 1.5 days maybe, and not full days, you know, just a few hours, because I need to work and I need to have, you know, I have a life, man. So I have a family and I need to take my time for them, and I need to take the time for the game. So I'm working a lot. Okay, let's say a lot. It's really much, and I really like it. I love to work that intense on the game. And there you see me just whistling. You don't hear it, you just see it. I don't know why it has this inside the video, but hey, just look. It's pretty nice, you know. And I just worked on the game, and I worked on the game and on the level. And even if this is a great process to see the level like this in the end, and it's working out great, it's the same all the time. It's not getting boring, I don't want to say that, but it's the same, and it's okay. Yeah, that is the level you see right there, the newest level, and I say thank you for watching the video. Please hit the subscribe button when you want to see the next progress of the game. And I totally not screwed up there. Yeah, thank you, and bye.